This is Akash from akashbatimarketing.com, and in this quick video I would like to make a quick preview of YOONLA. Okay, I just started out with YOONLA like 2 days ago. uh, we are we are already at $8. It's nothing slow. You can see here $8. I'll try to show you my all commissions page. You can see here is $8, and but I will show you my commissions, all commissions. So yeah, you can see $8, $4 from Australia, $4 from uh, England, UK. So all right, so basically how this money occurred, this is from free signs up. This is from free signups. Yeah, I'm going to go into the members area, and I'm just going to show you what what it what it is. But essentially, we are getting all these free signs up. We are promoting one this program, and whenever someone signs up from for open a free account, basically uh, you get $4. So what country they come from? So if anyone's from United States, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Ireland, I'm repeating again: United States, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Ireland, they paid $4. If someone signs up from these countries, free sign up, and they paid you $4. Now you can earn more, because there are some bonuses also. It could be up to $5 or more. Now these are the results that we are getting. So this is actually not results at all, but I'm promoting. How I get $8? Because I just started 2 days ago to promoting the YOONLA. So this is my first day to promoting the YOONLA, but because showing the $8, I asked to my one friend in England and one friend to free sign up, and they sign up, and I get $4 from each, so I get $8. So I'm promoting now. So please help me to promote this. You have to sign up through my link. If you don't, it's okay, but if you sign up, I'm thankful to you. And you can learn here. You can learn all this. So uh, results that we are getting. So for example, here you see uh, the my commissions. My commission. You just we just sent. We just have to send traffic to the system. What we have to do, we just have to send the traffic to the systems, and commissions are being generated. Either you don't have to be physically in front of a computer. I might be asleep, I might be out, but people are going to the to the this they are visiting this web page. They are joining the program, and you earn commissions. Um, Now, going to YOONLA, as soon as you can create your free account, there is a page where you can sign up and create like this. There is a page like you put your email here, you sign up, and like this. You I will show you again. Put your name, email, and sign up. So signs up and create a free account, and you confirm your email address, and you enter your password, and you access the member area. How the member area, I will show you the member area. This is um, you will access to the member area. Now this is the member area. Actually, this is the member area. Look at here. This is the member area. If you click on the link below here in the description, you will sign up. You will come through this page, landing page. You will sign up here, and then you go to this page. You can sign up free account, and then confirm the email address, confirm the password, and that's it. and you can come to this page, YOONLA EVOLVE. So this is the membership area page. This is the membership. So the program is this program is created by Reno Van Boven. I will show you Reno Van Boven, YOONLA digital platform. So here is, you can read here. You can go to YOONLA. Yeah, this is Reno Van Boven. He's the founder of YOONLA, and there are five steps. You can see here there are five steps here. These 5 or 7 steps here. There are 7 steps. 5 steps is basically actually main steps. There is a 5 7 steps here. Uh, you have to do what? There are 5 steps to get started. I'm not going to go through all these steps here one by one. Meaning you can you just signs up. The link is below in the description. You can just sign up. It's free to join. It's free to sign up, and the membership is free. But then you know the progress, and to earn the commission you will need some tools. You will need autoresponder to collect emails. You will need a landing page, the data page where people enter their this page. The people the people enter their email address to enter your autoresponder. I am talking to this page, autoresponder. So autoresponder, and then they see the YOONLA offer, like here. Then they see the YOONLA offer, then they signs up, and you earn the commissions. You earn the $4 for for one free sign up, and you earn the commission. So you need to have a signs system. You need to have the system in the place. You need a hosting to host your domain name. You need a few tools. So here Reno does a fantastic job to train you and explain you. You see here uh, everything. It's a free training. It's a very good, fantastic job to train you and explain you how everything works, how all the system works, and he walks you through the step, and he recommended you some tools that you will need to sign up. Okay, like I told you, autoresponder, hosting, and domain names. But I will help you in this. You don't need to be worried that we don't know, or we don't have experience, we are beginners, or blah blah, or scams, or you don't need to be worried. Okay, click on the link below in the description and signs up. It's free. So when you signs up through my link, when you click on the link, you come through this page. You come to this page, and after this page, put your email address here. What's your email? I don't know. Put your email address, and you can get to this page. Put your name here, enter your email, and set. Then confirm your email address. Click on the link in the email, and go through the confirm your password. Enter your password. Confirm your password, and just come to the landing membership area. So through my link, through my link, YOONLA will give you a special offer. You can read here. Become a YOONLA Elite free upgrade and priority setup up available now. It's normal value 2000. No, I'm sorry, 2000. I'm very sorry. 297. It's approximately $300, but now it's free. If you signs up through my link, it's free. It's free. You can read here. You can see here. It's free. But they were got some special offer running. This is the offer. Oh, I'm not going to say I'm not going to say that they are, because depends the changes, but you need to become a VIP member. VIP member, elite member. You have to become an elite member, VIP member, so you can be able to promote the UNILA CPA platform. What is CPA? CPA, cost per action. So there as soon as somebody subscribe and create a free account, that's action. Actually, that's action. You get your own, your commission. So to be eligible to promote UNILA, you need to be have a VIP account, VIP member, like member. Without a VIP account you cannot promote UNILA. So I'm recommended you uh, to click on the link below and signs up and create an account, and then click here. When you click here, it's a free promotion. They will do everything for you. What this video step they will tell you everything. Then you don't need to be. If you click on the link below, through my link, you will get this promotion. It's a free right now. Click here. You can claim your free custom setup. They do everything for you. The normal value is you can read here. You can see here approximately $300, $297. Normal value is $297. Currently they are giving it free. If you sign up through my link, then they will give you a free. They will give you a free. This is a complete training. If you are be a beginner online, because it teach you everything step by step. So if you enjoy this video, smash smash the like button, click on the link below and to sign up to the UNILA. So if you enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, like here I'll show you. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.